Hello everyone, today we are solving the problem D absolute sorting of Codeforces contest 839 division 3. So in this problem we have given an array A of n integers and the array is sorted if next element is greater than its previous element, and we can apply one operation. We can choose any integer x, and we can replace each element of the array by its absolute difference of x. Then we have to print x if array becomes sorted. Otherwise, we have to report that there is no such value. It means we have to print -1. So let's understand the what will be the minimum value which is required so that after taking the absolute difference of the minimum value, array becomes sorted. So I have taken an example 7 and 4. 7 and 4 is the unsorted array, and then I take x and take absolute difference of 7 and 4, and the inequality will be the this, as 4 minus x should be greater than equal to 7 minus x, because we need a sorted increasing array. Then we will get two equations. One is the positive one and other one is the negative one, as mode gives two equation, positive and negative. So the in first equation minus x will cancel out each other and 7 is not equal to 4. Now comes to the second equation. So after solving the equation, x will become 11 by 2. So now we have two choices. Either we can take the floor value of x and we can take the seal value. So the floor value is 5, seal value is 6. So we can determine the right value or the correct value by putting the value in the equation itself, then putting 5 in the equation. This is the equation. So after putting 5 in the equation, so the first number become 2 and second number become 1. So it is unsorted. So let's put the 6, then the equation, then the numbers become 1 and 2, so it becomes sorted. So 6 is the minimum value which we can take absolute difference in the array so that all numbers become sorted. So we can take also the 8, as 6 is the minimum. So after taking the 8, the array become 1 and 4. You can simply put 8 into the equation and the first number will become 1 and second will become 4. Now let's see one test case. So array is 8553. So the unsorted pair is 85 and 53. So I can take the seal average of 85, which is 7. Remember, we have to take the seal average, not the floor average, because after taking the seal average, the array becomes sorted. So 85 is the unsorted pair, so the seal average is 7, and 53 is the unsorted pair, so seal average is 4. So we can take the x as greater than equal to 7. It will satisfy the condition, and we can also take the x is greater than equal to 4. It will sort the 5 and 3. So we can ultimately take this x greater than equal to 7, as it will sort the 8 5 also, and it will sort the 5 3 also. So after taking the 7 as x, the array will become 1 2 2 4, which is the answer. So we will print the 7 in this case. So basically, let me conclude the approach. If we have given an array a b c d e f and the next element is smaller than the previous element, basically it is the unsorted pair, then we will take the x as max of seal average of ab. So C average is satisfying the solution, and we will take the maximum of that into x. Then we will subtract the each element of the array by the x, and then we will check array is become sorted or not. If it is, then we will print x. Otherwise we will print -1. So let's go to the code. So let's see the code. We have taken the n, then we have taken the input of the array. Then we will iterate into the array from 0 till n minus 1. Then we will check whether the next element is smaller than the previous element, as it is the unsorted pair. Then we will take the x as max of average of seal average of both the elements. Then we have taken the absolute difference of each element of the array by x. Then in this loop, I have checked whether the array is sorted or not. If it is not, the x value will become -1, and at last I have print the value of x. So let's check the given test case of the problem. So it's working. So if you find our videos helpful, then you can subscribe and like this video. Thank you.